Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here they given sulfur tetrafluoride. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. Here to find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. Steric number can be calculated from sulfur valency and number of fluorine atom, which is 6 and 4. If you substitute it, you have 5 there. So steric number 5 means you have trigonal bipyramidal, but you should know the lone pair. Here lone pair is H minus B, which gives 1. So totally 1 lone pair there. So one lone pair in trigonal bipyramidal, you have CSIR structure. So SF4 has the geometry of trigonal bipyramidal, shape is CSIR 2 lone pair. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.